Most people think the Federal Reserve only controls interest rates, but there's another switch that quietly decides how powerful your money really is. That switch just changed, and most people won't notice until life feels more expensive. This shift doesn't just affect Wall Street, it affects your salary, your savings, and what your money can actually buy in 2026. The Federal Reserve has two main tools. First, interest rates, how expensive borrowing money becomes. Second, the amount of money flowing through the system. When money is tight, spending slows down. When money is easy, prices and assets tend to rise. This balance quietly controls the speed of the entire economy. During the pandemic, the economy nearly collapsed, so the Fed pushed interest rates to the floor and injected massive amounts of money. That money didn't just disappear, it flowed into markets, businesses, and spending. The result was one of the fastest market recoveries in history. But easy money always comes with a cost, and that cost shows up later. When too much money chases the same goods, prices rise. That's inflation. After stimulus and easy money, inflation surged to levels not seen in decades. So the Fed flipped direction, raising rates and pulling money out of the system. This phase slowed things down, but it also squeezed households hard. Here's what most people miss. If your salary grows 2%, but prices rise 4%, you're not richer, you're poorer. The same goes for savings. Money sitting still slowly loses buying power. That's why people work harder, save more, and still feel stuck year after year. This time, the economy faces a new factor: artificial intelligence. Companies can grow profits while hiring fewer people. That means assets may rise faster than wages. So even if markets look strong, everyday workers may feel more pressure. This gap between prices and paychecks is becoming a real risk. Smart money works in layers. First, reduce high-interest debt. That's a guaranteed loss. Second, don't let all your money sit idle while prices rise. Third, invest consistently, not emotionally. And finally, invest in skills that raise your income, because earning power is protection. This system rewards preparation, not panic. When monetary policy shifts, you won't see a warning label. You'll feel it in higher prices, weaker savings, and tighter budgets. The real question isn't whether the system is fair. The question is whether you understand how it works. If you want part 2 on how regular people protect their money in these shifts, comment, reset, and follow for more.